Hi guys, welcome to Garden with Friends. Today we have a very fun project, I hope. I'm a gardener and I grow lots and lots of plants and flowers. And today we will do flower arrangements to bring more beauty into our lives. We got lots of flowers, not from my garden, but from the store, because I wanted to have a variety, and some of them still don't bloom in my garden.
There are several elements you might want to keep in mind that will help to create a beautiful flower arrangement. Flowers itself, and they can be divided to focal and supporting flowers. Fillers. These flowers add texture and volume to the arrangement, softening the overall look. And finally, greenery, that provides a natural backdrop for flowers, adding depth and visual interest.
And we're gonna arrange 4 bouquets.
Check this out! They will be placed at the dining tables at anniversary party at the restaurant. Now, let's take a closer look at the price breakdown of flowers I got for these arrangements. I got all flowers from Trader Joe's except for ranunculus, which they didn't have any fresh ones, so I ended up going to Wegmans for those. Trader Joe's has a wide range of pricing options and a wonderful selection of flowers, greenery, and fillers. Everything you need to create your own beautiful flower arrangement. Here's an itemized list with price tags, and it totals to $92.34 for 4 arrangements. And if you buy ready-made arrangements, of course you'll pay much more. Check out this penny arrangement from Wilson Farm, Lexington, Massachusetts, with pretty limited arrangement of flowers, but quite pricey. And it's so much fun to put it together and select your own flowers. Let's do that!
The arrangements I'm making not supposed to be too tall because they're gonna be placed in the middle of the dining table and people will sit around them.
You can also get waterproof floral ribbon to cover flower stems in a vase, so it's gonna look more professional. I didn't do it to avoid additional cost. Another handy tool in flower arrangement is floral foam. It makes it easier to arrange, keeps cut flowers fresh longer, and helps to transport arrangements to a desired destination without spilling all water. However, there is an environmental concern as it's not biodegradable and contributes to plastic pollution, so I avoided using it as well.
So I'm gonna cut it and see we have slightly different sizes. I'm gonna cut it not too short because I can always cut it a little shorter. Maybe a little shorter.
I'd like to mention one more handy tool for flower arrangements, chicken wire, as a great alternative to floral foam. It's especially good for large or unusual arrangements. In my arrangement, I don't feel like it was necessary, although for larger arrangements, it helps to create a sturdy structure and support stems. You can make a ball out of it, put it in a vase, and secure with the tape. I'm going to prove to you that you don't need any special tools to create beautiful flower arrangements. Off we go! I'm just filling my vases with many flowers. Don't forget about greenery and also fillers.
Love the color. Flowers are so beautiful, so you can arrange it to your taste, and just that's what I'm doing here, and I'm hoping to hear from you how you like my arrangement.
On to the next one.
one is done. Please check it out, and please let me know if you don't like it in the comment section, or if you like it too. And guys, I just have to show it to you. While I'm doing flower arrangements, my family is patiently waiting for me. Hi, Wookie. Hi, baby. Hi. We're all done here. And as I mentioned before, I didn't tell you what to do. It's a matter of personal choice. And the idea is to bring beauty to yourself and to everyone. And I encourage you to go do it. I guess I got lucky again. The amount of flowers I got from the store was just perfect for all this flower arrangement. Look what I have left, just the fillers. So great, I'm happy, nothing was wasted. And please take a closer look at the arrangement.
I hope I convinced you that you don't need any special tools to create beautiful flower arrangements. And if you're making it for someone else, you can do it day in advance. You just need to be aware of how open would you like your flowers to be, and time when you buy your flowers properly.
I was able to sneak in 2 aloes from my own garden. Really happy about it. Hey, Wookie!
All my bouquets made of similar flowers arranged differently, and they all have similar style, created for a special person for a special anniversary. Happy gardening!